Today, I'll show you how I apply Screed like a pro, step by step to get a smooth and level floor. From mixing to leveling. Let's start. We are going to use sand used for structure and texture. Cement, the main binding material that provides strength. Water, essential for cement hydration and workability. Tile adhesive is made by mixing cement, sand, and additives. The mixture is combined with water to form a smooth paste. Before laying the screed, tile adhesive is applied to the surface beneath. This helps improve adhesion between the existing floor and the screed. The surface is cleaned and dried. Then the adhesive is spread evenly with a notched trowel. To make a good screed, here are the 7 essential steps. Prepare the surface. Choose the right material. Measure the right amount. Apply a primer layer. Work quickly. Use a leveling tool. Check the slope and finish the surface. Types of screed. By following these steps, you'll achieve a well-leveled floor, ready for the tile or other finishes.